This is a place that I frequented to buy HVAC parts. He is not kidding. Man, what happened? Dude.
What was it?
Dude. Look at that. That whole, remember?
I'm glad I
At least it didn't catch fire like Safeway did when its roof collapsed. Remember the Safeway caught fire after a roof collapsed?
Yeah.
A couple years ago. Wow. Still see an AC running on the other roof.
That's scary.
This is like, yeah, this is the back part. Wow.
Yeah, I don't work in there. I'm glad I was in that
Dude,
building.
that's the warehouse where all the stock is. Everybody's already had enough hard time with the
I wonder if
lack of
anyone
supplies,
died in there.
inventory.
I hope everyone's okay.
This
I
is
was
a
in the
different
warehouse.
facility behind them. I think the building is the divider there. Wow.
That isn't really a good rooftop, but that's just...
It's a commercial rooftop with probably some steel beams and everything, and then some wood and rusted and snapped or something. Some evap coolers, skylights, vents. I'm surprised there's not more ACs for the parts department over here. But I guess 3 of them. Wow, man, he wasn't kidding. I got a roll off in there already.
I wonder if the guy came out with a shotgun like you said.
I don't know. Those are the-
Like in the movie.
That other place?
Like in one of the movies.
Dude, that is messed up. Yeah. Usually not. Well, no, they. I think this is one of the places that's open half a day. Wow.
Is he there right now?
Yeah, my friend's there. I'm not gonna say his name. But damn, dude, I gotta get a picture of this.
No, he's gonna get mad.
No, he'll be like, wow, when he sees that an aerial shot of it. I'll send him a photo later. I'll take it out of the video, but dude, man.
That is terrifying, I gotta tell you that. I'm
There's a
glad I
roll-off
was
dumpster
not
right there too.
in that building.
Well, I wonder when it happened. He said he got.
Was anyone in
got a
that
condor
building?
in there.
On that side of that building? I hope not.
I don't know. It probably happened at night. Probably.
I hope it
No,
happened.
they knew it happened yesterday, I think, because he told me about it last night. Dang.
Well, I hope it happened last night. No one in it.
Yeah, so.
Because that could fall on somebody. Who knows? There could have been an AC unit on there. I'm sure there was.
Let's see. Let's see the span of the coolers. Yeah, there was an evap cooler. That evap cooler is now down on the ground inside there.
Kind of like the way the length is. Yeah, they're probably used there from there.
Let's not get too close. People gonna. There's the. Looks like it tilted. It's over on it. Turned on in there. Man. Yeah, that structure collapsed. Wow. Might have actually been wood trusses. Huh.
I remember when our house flooded.
Yeah, well, it wasn't from a roof collapse. It was from a piece of crap toilet linkage. At least this is more respectable than what happened to our house. Freaking stupid thing. You know, this is just an act of God, you know, nature, you know, incident from we had some pretty good monsoon weather.
Yeah, and of course, you know what? There's one good thing about monsoon.
What's that?
It opens up because our thing was closed down.
What was close then? Oh, you're glad that the desert and forest is getting opened again, so we go ride. Anyway, with that, child, what do you have to say?
Make sure you guys like and subscribe.
That's right, give me more subscribers, you suckers.